Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to share a channel on Telegram. Whether you want to invite friends to join a great group or share interesting content, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do this. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Telegram installed on your Android device. Once you're ready, go ahead and open the app. You'll see your chat list, where all your conversations are stored. Now, locate the chat where you want to share the channel. This could be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you find the desired chat, tap to open it. Next, look at the top of your screen, and you'll see the contact name displayed. Tap on that contact name. This will bring you to the profile screen, where you can find various options related to the chat. Now, let's move to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see 3 dots. These dots give you access to more settings and options. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. After tapping, a menu will appear with different options. What you want to select now is Share. This will allow you to share the channel link with anyone in your contact list. Once you tap on Share, you'll see your list of contacts and groups. Simply select the person or group you want to share the channel with. You can even add a brief message to explain what the channel is about or why you think they'd like it. After you've chosen your recipients and added any message, just hit the Send button. And that's it. You've successfully shared a channel on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.